Hi there, here's a little vid for Love Train by the OJs based on that Playing for Change YouTube clip. This is my new Morris Howlett uke, which I think is quite a lot louder. It's got a little sound hole, it's got a little curved neck and a flattened behind neck curved fingerboard. So here is the intro and the chorus, so they're reasonably straightforward. Then I'm going to do an easy version for the verse and the bridge, and then I'm going to do the full chart, more complex version for the verse and the bridge. So if you're a beginner, novice, and you're not ready yet for those quick changes, you can just stay on a G in the verse and stay on an F, and I'll demonstrate that. Okay, so it's a down, down, up, down, up, which is kind of a Latin groovy feel, and you can put some chucking in as well. So here's our intro. 2, 3, 4, C, D, F, and a G. And we do that all again. C, D, F, and a G. And here's the chorus. People all over the world, join hands, start a love train, love train. People all over the world, join hands, start a love train, verse, stay on the G, next up F and A, will be F, so this is the easy version with no sixths. Tell all the folks in Russia and China too, here's a G. Don't you know that it's time to get on A minor, and let this D minor keep on riding on G, G7, chorus. People all over the world, join hands, start a love train, people all over the world, join hands, start a love train, then you would play verse 2, just sitting on that G and the F, following the chart. Repeat the chorus, so we're coming out of the chorus into the bridge. We've got an E flat. So first finger on what would be a C7, and usually I use my third and fourth on these two middle strings on the third fret. And I'm going to leave out the E flat major 7th and the C6 for now. So we're coming out of the G. Here's the bridge. Let's sing. E flat. Let it D minor and a G7 and a chorus. People all over the world, join hands, start a love train, people all over the world, join hands, start a love train, ooh, yeah. Okay, and I am sometimes using that little C5 chord when I play a C. Okay, so that was the easy bit, the easy version. So here now is adding in the 6th and doing the bridge with the E flat major 7. So I'm going to go from verse 2. So I'm coming out of the chorus. Start a love train, G train. All of your brothers over in Africa. Tell all the folks in Egypt and Israel too. Please don't miss this train at your station, 'cause if you miss it, I feel sorry, sorry. going to half bar this one like I do with a B flat. Then I'm going to lift my pinky. So it'll be down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, C. Adding this note for the sixth. Right, lift pinky. Let it be minor. And then G7. People all over the world, join hands, start a love train, love train. People all over the world, join hands, start a love train, love train. People all over the world, join hands, start a love train, love train. Last time of the world, join hands, start a love train, love train. Ooh, ooh. Maybe that. Okay, I hope that is helpful for you in playing that song. Bye for now.